Welcome, traders. Guess what I found on TradingView? Some seriously cool AI indicators that give magical results. I'm sure you haven't seen these before. In this detailed tutorial, I'll teach you how to use them to get some great buy and sell signals when the market is trending. And I'll also show you how to spot and ignore the fake signals during the slower times. Make sure to not miss any important part of the video. So I'm in TradingView, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. We're going to be using only 2 indicators in this strategy. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. It is essential to note that these technical analysis tools can be used for trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and major forex pairs. And the best time frames are 5 and 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. So to add our first indicator of the strategy to the chart, we will open the Indicators tab and search for Bollinger Bands, Nadarya Smooth, and add this one created by Flux Charts. This indicator is an upgraded version of the classic Bollinger Bands indicator. Let's see how it is different. The idea behind Bollinger Bands is the detection of price movements outside of a security's typical fluctuations. When the price closes above or below either band, this can be considered abnormal movement. The price is overextended and about to correct or reverse. The indicator spots these areas and produces buy and sell signals whenever the price extends into lower or upper bands. Since Bollinger Bands use standard deviation, they have excess noise. By noise, I mean small fluctuations which most traders will not find useful in their strategies. The Nadarya-Watson estimator is used as a weighted average like an EMA. Let's explore the settings of this indicator. In the indicator's inputs, we can find various parameters for tweaking. For example, if you want to make the Nadarya bands more or less smooth, you can increase or decrease this value right here. Also, make sure the repainting option is off. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. This indicator is not intended to be used on its own. It is used to identify extreme price movements and periods of consolidation. As you can see, there are a lot of false signals given by this indicator. To increase the accuracy of these signals, we need to find a way to cancel buy signals during a downtrend and sell signals during an uptrend. For this purpose, you can use different trend filters like an EMA or super trend. Those are good, but I found something much better. So let's open the Indicators tab again and search for Hybrid EMA Algo. I'm sure you have never heard of this indicator, but this indicator combined with the smooth Bollinger Bands indicator creates a perfect match. This innovative trading indicator utilizes a KNN-inspired algorithmic approach alongside traditional exponential moving averages for more nuanced analysis. While the algorithm doesn't actually employ machine learning techniques, it mimics the logic of the key nearest neighbors methodology. The script of this indicator takes into account the closest K distances between a short-term and long-term EMA to create a weighted short-term EMA. This combination of rule-based logic and EMA offers traders a more sophisticated indicator for market analysis. Let's not go into more details of how this indicator works. But one important thing to know about the Hybrid EMA Algo indicator is that it has similar principles to the Relative Strength Index, also known as the RSI. However, the RSI indicator is faster and it cannot be used to identify a long-term market bias, whereas the Hybrid EMA has a scale from 0 to 100. And when the reading is above 85, the market is considered bullish, in other words, controlled by buyers. And a reading below 15 indicates that the market is being controlled by the sellers. Anything between 15 and 85 should be viewed as a consolidation zone, and no trade should be taken during this time period. Let's explore its settings. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a 4-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. In the indicator's inputs, two parameters can be adjusted: the number of neighbors and the look-back period. The look-back period affects how fast the indicator reacts to price changes. For example, if we set this value to 200, we can see that the line becomes faster. I recommend keeping the settings default for this trading strategy. However, you can tweak the inputs to find the most appropriate settings for each time frame and market. As I mentioned previously, to maximize the winning ratio of the first confirmation indicator, which in our strategy is Bollinger Band's Nadarya version, we need to follow the trend. Having this simple condition in place will automatically cancel low-quality signals. For example, here the market was trending upward, and the price often exceeded the upper Bollinger Band, due to which the indicator produced many sell signals that would have caused losses. But since the hybrid EMA oscillator's reading is above 85, no sell trades are allowed to be taken. Let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using these two indicators. So for a buy trade to be valid, there are only two easy conditions that we need to follow. First of all, we will wait for the hybrid EMA algo indicator to cross above the 85 level. This is indicated by the green color. The second condition is to receive a buy signal from the Bollinger Band's Nadarya indicator. And that's it. Keep in mind that the EMA reading should remain above 85 at the time we get the signal. So let's open a buy trade here. The stop loss will be placed below the lower Bollinger Band, and we will set a fixed profit target. I recommend targeting a minimum of 2 times the risk. To make the entry more safe, you can also close a part of the position once you receive a sell alert. Also, you can only take the first buy signal after an upper EMA cross occurs. If the hybrid EMA resets, in other words, crosses into the neutral zone and then rises back up, then a buy trade can be taken again on the first buy signal. Now let's go through a sell trade example. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. First of all, the hybrid EMA algo learner should cross below the 15 level, signaling the beginning of a downtrend. Then, just like we did in the buy trade, we will wait for the Bollinger Band's Nadarya indicator to produce a sell signal, and the EMA reading should remain below 15 at the time the signal is produced. If these two conditions are met, you can confidently open a sell position. We will set our stop loss above the upper Bollinger Band. And again, you can close a part of the position once you receive a sell signal. I hope you guys have understood this strategy properly. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. And also make sure to like the video, subscribe my channel, and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.